Hello, welcome. Just going out for a bit. Good afternoon, welcome to just going out for a little bit. Today, the morning after, what we're doing is talking about the Belgian jigsaw pattern water bottle cook set. Oops. As you can see, it comes with the infamous and now passe jigsaw pattern, because now they're doing away with it. I think that's from this week, which is I think late well mid-April is a good time to use. So they're doing away with this, with that, and going to the normal MTP sort of thing. Anyway, let's talk about this. What have we got in here? We have got one of these with an insulated container, which you can strap onto your webbing belt if you want be, but also in here at the bottom comes a cooker, which you can assemble on there. Obviously too small for a Trangia burner or anything like that, so I've got a few options which we'll discuss. I'll go on, try something else. So it'll keep your water cold, warm, whatever you want to do. Standard 800 millilitres bottle there with the old flip lid. That goes down on there, that goes down, that slides down. I don't spend half an hour on film going, oh, so that's all sorted. So what we should do first of all, just add a little bit of water to that. Today I'm cooking myself just enough first of all for a cup of coffee, and then we're going to go for some noodles. I want to add a little bit more water and discuss the merits of other things, cooking systems as well. So all very good, all very compact. Put it on there. So what can go on here? Originally there was the S-bit. Pop it on there, take the foil off, pop it on, let it burn. Very smoky, very smelly, all that sort of stuff. That's the original S-bit. Hexamin, pretty much the same combustion as S-bit, but I think it's made in the UK really, whereas I think S-bit's a German firm. Again, similar sort of stuff, peel it off on there, and you can get all sorts of hexamin burners, from little tiny blocks to big old-fashioned, you know, 1980s style hexamin blocks, which are almost about as big as that, to be fair, you know, that. And finally you've got, which I've just found in the last week, one of these Fire Dragon, which is just the ethanol burner. You just pull off the lid and set it on top. We start to cook. So which one do you think? Yeah, I think first of all the cup of coffee we'll try the S-bit. Yep, smells of Grimsby. Smells of fish for some bizarre reason. I don't know why. And what I am going to do is pop it on a stove. On a stove, on a little tuna topper thing, and that can fit just there and won't spoil anything. Try that in a moment. I've got my proper thing here. There we go. This will let you know, Ralphie. Try again, shall we? So low marks for the edge bit. Try the same fish smell. Finally a light. That, folks. Can just lie on there. For a longer burn, okay, we're going to choose one of these Fire Dragon ethanol sort of things. Same company as that. Or if you're really savvy and use one of these in the same tuna tin lids, and that'll cook with the noodles quite nicely. So we just have to wait a little bit and come back. Cooking quite nicely. No smell of fish in there, which is always a bonus. Salted caramel, very nice. Into the pocket it goes. Now this water bottle cook set, I haven't just got it because it's part of the Belgian collection. I've used this for months now. I've had it all sorts of places. It does exactly what it says on the tin. I do like it. Not exactly easy to get hold of, you know, but it's very good. The wind isn't too much to pick up about, honestly. We don't really need a windshield on this sort of thing, you know. A lot of the wind shielding comes from the little tuna top which I've got there, and I've got you don't like tuna, or you have a cat. I'm going to try this as well with something other as well, and perhaps some of the fire lighting gel. See how that gets on. Very good. warm to the touch so far. So we are talking about the jigsaw pattern in itself. I can't think of any other country that's gone for this slightly psychedelic pattern really. And it's a pity it's going and going to the normal MTP sort of style sort of thing. But I really like it. It's different. It's quite effective if you were to hang around in the woods as a weirdo like me sort of does. It does offer you some sort of camouflage protection. We're looking at the rucksack behind me. It's got exactly the yellows, or the buffs is the colour, but not so much on the tent, which is a pity. But it's all very good, all very good. Pity it's going. Let's just stand out for the crowd a little bit in your LSD haze. Right, I'll come back in a minute when this is boiling. Now, to be fair, that's about 10 minutes. I have cheated a little bit, so I don't want to waste the other sort of thing. Just use the other block. But that is what it looks like. The original block is still there, cooking away, and there's the one I've put on about 4 minutes ago, just because I didn't want to waste it. So that's good to go. I'm just going to let that burn up. Add that to there. A little bit of stir on there. Let it seep for a little bit. And then add enough. For my lunch. Today is going to be hot and spicy noodles, because you can't go wrong, can you? And all the time, while that's cooking away from social media, television, it's just me, pheasants, skylarks, tits, willow tits perhaps, blue tits. There goes one. All very good. Right. I'll sup this down and get back to you in a minute. It's been a few minutes. It's warm, and that has nearly come to an end. So what I'm going to do now is just add some of the gel firelighter sort of stuff. Quickly, there you go. And that should make that come to boil quite soon. Very hard wearing is safe and all that sort of stuff. I'll get in the bottom of the rucksack. Good to go. More me and the bird song. So, put the gel fire lighter on there, and a noticeable difference quite adamantly. As you can see, that's within about a minute. I'll take this off. See it bubbling away like a real cauldron. That will go down to 0. A few minutes later, so very efficient, the biofuel, rolling oil practically, so it boils down to nothing and no smell at all. Ooh, that's very nice indeed. Go faster. Go the old spice to go on there. I think it's some sort of oil weirdness, which is always good to give it a go. Come on, there you come. Come on, there you go. There you go. As you can or can't see, that's almost disappeared. That's going to boil. It's boiled. Put on there. Just enough to clean my coffee cup. And we're done. I'll wait for that just to reconstitute. Give my final thoughts. I'm just going out for a bit. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10, because what I should do is that's finished now. That will pick upable. Leaves no burn marks, apart from the scorching on the side where the flames were overlapping. That can go within a few minutes straight into here. Let's go on top, and we're done. So, hope you enjoyed the second part of our investigation to the Belgian jigsaw pattern. Water bottle, mug, cook set and waterfall carrier. Available from all no doubt army surplus places. Can't remember where I got it. It's been so long since I've had it, I don't know where I got it from. So, excellent job. Excellent job. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. As indeed, hot and spicy. Okay, thanks for this. Please like, subscribe, and all that sort of malarkey. Leave a comment as well, please. Tell me what you think, you know, about it all. Those on there. There's nothing really on the bottom to worry about. Bizarre clip things on the front, no, but good. Thanks again, we'll see you again.